This video guide will help you to understand the danger of pop-ups by the website Streamswiftcompletelypro.best, a dangerous resource that tries to mislead you with the information about some software update. It says that this software update is about Flash Player update. However, the information displayed by these pop-ups is absolutely faulty, very deceptive, and it may lead to many problems. Because of that, your computer may be infected with some potentially unwanted programs, and you may end up experiencing browser redirection problems and other issues. Let me assure you that Mac does not use any third-party websites for implementing such updates. And if there is any update available, there will be a special notification in the software update area in System Preferences. So you should disregard all these misleading statements you see by these websites. As I said, it's dangerous to proceed and to implement any of such updates. I recommend that you carefully examine your available Mac applications, because the occurrence of these pop-ups may be the trace of some adware in your computer. If you see something suspicious here, of course you need to get rid of it. If you don't see anything suspicious but still your browser acts in a very unusual way by giving you a lot of pop-ups, I recommend that you examine your Mac with the reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It's a powerful antivirus specifically for Mac. You may get it on the resource combocleaner.com. Once the software is downloaded and successfully installed, you need to wait until it updates the antivirus database. Then click on Start Combo Scan to begin the direct analysis of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program has performed the free research of Mac computer, and at the end of scan, some threats were found. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. This is the detailed report about the location of each specific threat in your Mac. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you its exact location in Finder. After that, you may remove each specific threat manually, so one threat at a time. And this is the free way to remove threats manually from your Mac computer. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.